Okay, now we can add up again.
Okay.
Okay,
So you got 1, 1, 2, 2? Or?
yeah.
Okay.
Whatever. I mean,
Okay.
just, you know, multiplication. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 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 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now look. One with you.
Okay,
Yeah, cross, but you fix it aside.
Okay.
You have to go out.
Okay.
You're not aiming to hit. You're just aiming to bring one hands up.
Okay.
You know? So you like
Telegraph.
Yeah, exactly. So you can like,
Okay.
So you like this.
Okay. See this look?
Sitting in front, and you might like overhand the rest of it.
Okay.
Like roots.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, with those hands up, and then it goes right to the body.
Yes, yeah, yeah. So this is
Yeah.
and then up. Okay?
All right.
So